Sheep farming, one of the strategic industries, not only generates enormous annual profits, but also plays a vital role in the global economy. Billions of dollars are made from sheep farming and wool production. And in this video, you will explore how sheep farms operate and the intricate wool production process. Let's dive in. Sheep farming is not only a major economic industry, but also a highly complex activity with far-reaching impacts on food production, raw materials, and providing employment for millions of people around the world. This process goes through several stages, starting from the birth of the lambs to their adulthood. Lambs are born and carefully cared for with their mothers in a safe environment on the farm until they complete the weaning process, usually around 2 to 3 months of age. During this period, they nurse from their mothers and are supplemented with nutritious foods such as fresh grass and dry hay, providing an ideal condition for strong growth. Once the lambs are weaned, they are moved to a separate area on the farm where the process of maturing begins. Adult sheep are cared for in barns or allowed to roam freely on pastures, receiving careful attention with a diet consisting mainly of fresh grass, dry hay, and grains. Sheep are raised not only for their meat and milk, but also as a valuable source of raw materials for wool and leather production. Sheep farming thrives in many regions around the world, especially in areas with temperate and subtropical climates. Not only does this industry provide immense economic value, but it also requires farmers to have in-depth knowledge and meticulous care. Selecting sheep breeds that are suitable for local climate and soil conditions, building safe shelters, providing adequate food and water, and vaccinating to protect sheep from diseases are all crucial factors. According to FAO statistics, the total sheep population worldwide is currently around 1.4 billion, contributing a significant portion to the global livestock herd. Asia is the region with the largest number of sheep, accounting for 53% of the world's total sheep population, while Europe ranks second with about 21% of the global sheep population. Sheep farming is not only a strategic industry, but also an essential part of the global economy, providing important and valuable food sources for people around the world. In addition to the two common methods of shearing and shaving, the process of harvesting sheep wool is a refined technique that requires careful attention and high expertise to ensure superior quality. After the sheep wool is harvested, the next processing step begins with sorting and handling the wool, a process that requires precision in selecting the wool based on strict criteria such as quality, color, length, and other factors. The wool is thoroughly cleaned to remove dirt and impurities, ensuring that only the finest fibers are kept. Additionally, the processing also enhances the wool's heat resistance and durability through the use of special chemicals. Once the wool has been processed, it moves on to the spinning stage, where the wool is spun into yarn and woven into fabric. Thanks to this manufacturing technology, the sheep wool industry not only harnesses a rich natural resource, but also creates exquisite products with a wide variety of designs and sizes. According to data from the FAO, the global wool production has reached approximately 2.5 million tons per year, with Asia accounting for about 60% and Europe for 20%. These figures not only reflect the importance of the sheep wool industry in providing valuable raw materials, but also highlight its role in creating jobs, providing income for millions of people, and contributing to the economic development of nations. Although sheep farming and wool production play a crucial role in the global economy, they also face numerous challenges. Issues such as rising feed costs, diseases that can cause significant damage to sheep herds, and intense competition from alternative products like synthetic wool are challenges that cannot be overlooked. To overcome these obstacles, those in the industry need to implement effective strategies, including selecting high-quality sheep breeds, ensuring full vaccination to protect the herds from diseases, providing proper care for the sheep, and applying modern technology at every step of the wool harvesting and production process. Handmade sheep wool blanket production is not just a technical process, but also an art that requires meticulous attention and dedication. Each product is created through a delicate combination of science and art, starting from wool harvesting to the creation of superior quality products. The process of producing wool blankets is not just about weaving and sewing, but also involves careful handling of the wool. Skilled craftsmen with years of experience are needed to create exceptional products. From cleaning the wool and removing dirt and impurities to the meticulous weaving and sewing of every detail. Thanks to the careful attention given at every step, the products not only have exceptional durability and quality, but also carry the symbol of art and tradition. Handmade wool blankets are not just consumer goods, but valuable works of art that need to be preserved and promoted in the modern world. Do you own any products made from sheep wool? Share with us in the comments. And don't forget to keep watching the rest of the video to explore more about the wonderful world of wool production.